Hi kids! Welcome back to Fostin's Little Learning Hub. Let's get ready to learn.
This is video series number 11. Boys and girls, we are here again to learn our new sound. But before we learn our sound, let us go over the sounds we have done before. Remember, as you see it on the screen, you say the sound and after listen to my voice to see if you got it correct. Ready? S, A, T, I, N, E, H, R. It's story time. Let us listen to our story so we can learn our new sound. Mrs. Morris and her son Marvin have invited his friends Millie and Molly for supper. The children are playing outside when they hear the call for supper. They all come inside, wash their hands, and sit down at the table,
I'm hungry.
says Marvin, rubbing his tummy. Mmm, mmm, mmm,
I hope it's spaghetti and meatballs. I hope it's hot dogs.
mmm, 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 says Molly.
I hope it's hamburgers.
Says Millie, rubbing her tummy. Then Mrs. Morris comes in carrying a steaming dish,
Lamb and peas.
says the children,
I like that meal most of all.
says Marvin. Mmm, mmm, mmm. This is how we're going to write the sound mmm. It is a short letter. You put your pencil on the paper, one stick down, a short stick, go back to the top, make a curve and a straight stick down. Go back to the top again, make another curve and a straight stick going down. So you have two curves to make and not just one. Why don't you try it? Put your pencil or your finger to the top, straight stick going down. Go back to the top, make a curve, go straight down. Go back to the top again, another curve, and straight down. Very good. Now let us read some words with the m sound. We have man, mint, stem. Now, when we look at words, not all of them would begin with the sound. We have an example of stem where the sound comes at the end of the word. Now it is game time. I am going to show you these four pictures. Three of them have the sound and one does not. So which of these does not have the sound? We have drum, lamp, net, mug. Which of these does not have the sound? If you guess net, then you are correct. Now, we are going to read some words. Wait for the dot. We are going to sound the letters first and then read the words. M, e, n, men. Now let's do it with me. M, I, s, miss. S, t, a, m, stamp. M, I, n, t, mint. Very good. I'm sure you read very well. So now it is your turn to begin reading. Read the words on the screen, and while you read it, have your mommy or daddy record you and send it to your teacher. Now it's dictation time. I am going to call four words and you are going to write it on your paper. Listen to the sounds and then write it. First word, mat. M-A-T, mat. Second word, him. H-I-M. Him. Third word, mist. M-I-st. Mist. And last word, smack. S-M-A-K. Smack. Remember the k sound at the end of the word is both k. Smack. Very good, children. Excellent job.
We had so much fun today. Come back next time for more fun from Fostin's Little Learning Hub. Bye bye!